Today, we're comparing two productivity tools, Akiflow and Sunsama. Akiflow is renowned for its intuitive task management system, ideal for individuals and teams seeking streamlined workflows. Meanwhile, Sunsama offers a comprehensive scheduling solution designed to optimize time management and productivity. Let's take a look at these programs' main features, pricing structures, user experiences, pros and cons, and industry alternatives. Let's take a look at these programs' main features. Akiflow features include social media management. Akiflow enables you to schedule and publish posts across multiple social media platforms, engage with your audience, and analyze performance metrics to optimize your strategy. Email marketing. Reach your audience effectively with Akiflow's email marketing tools, including customizable templates, automated campaigns, and detailed analytics. Website analytics. Gain valuable insights into your website's performance with Akiflow's comprehensive analytics dashboard, allowing you to track visitor behavior, conversion rates, and more. SEO optimization. Improve your website's search engine rankings with Akiflow's SEO optimization tools, including keyword research, content optimization, and competitor analysis. Sunsama features include task management. Sunsama allows you to create, organize, and prioritize tasks with ease, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. With customizable tags, due dates, and task lists, you can stay on top of your workload effortlessly. Calendar integration. Seamlessly sync your tasks and events with your calendar, providing a holistic view of your schedule and commitments. Team collaboration. Collaborate with teammates in real time, assign tasks, and track progress together, fostering transparency and accountability within your team. Performance analytics. Gain valuable insights into your productivity habits with Sunsama's analytics dashboard, identifying areas for improvement and optimizing your workflow. When it comes to pricing, Akiflow offers a free plan with basic features, along with premium plans starting at $10 per user per month. Conversely, Sunsama provides a free trial with limited features, with premium plans starting at $15 per user per month. Akiflow boasts a user-friendly interface and seamless task management capabilities, catering to individuals and teams alike. Sunsama, on the other hand, excels in scheduling and time management, offering smart insights and cross-platform compatibility for enhanced productivity. The pros of Akiflow include its intuitive task management system, seamless collaboration features, and flexible scheduling options. However, some users may find its integrations limited compared to Sunsama. Sunsama's pros include comprehensive scheduling capabilities, time blocking features, and insightful analytics. Nevertheless, users may encounter a steeper learning curve and limited customization options compared to Akiflow. Alternative productivity tools to consider include Asana, Todoist, and ClickUp, each offering unique features and pricing structures tailored to different user preferences and needs. In conclusion, the choice between Akiflow and Sunsama depends on individual preferences and workflow requirements. If you prioritize intuitive task management and seamless collaboration, Akiflow may be the ideal choice. Conversely, if comprehensive scheduling and time management are your top priorities, Sunsama could be the perfect fit for your productivity needs. Sign up for a trial for both products and experience the features firsthand to make an informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful comparisons and productivity tips. Also, feel free to check out our brand new how-to series. Thank you for watching.